Hi everybody, welcome to day 2, trying to get this Leaders 401 course figured out. Thanks for Emily letting me know that the link on the syllabus does not work. So here's a video about how I guess you have to go through the library to get access to the online version, and it may be that you have to be on campus to use it. I got myself a hard copy so I can write notes in it just from Amazon. It's a used book. Can't think of how much it was. So if you need to be able to take it with you, you might have to do that. So I came in here and I put in the title, Writing a Great Research Paper, and search. Hopefully it'll work this time because I just did it. Here it is. College Student's Guide to Writing a Great Research Paper, 101 Easy Tips. See at the bottom, it says available online. So you can check out the book for 21 days. You can download a PDF chapter, read online. So this is the link that I thought I was putting in the syllabus, but it doesn't look like that's working. So I'll try again and see if I can get it to work. But this is how you get to the online version. So keep sending me questions and problems, and I'll fix them, and then stop by and see me if you get a chance.